Hey, this is Pat Bruce with Master Building Inspectors. I'm here on an inspection today, walking through a home, and we've been taking a tour just to give you a couple of ideas, some things that we've seen. Something I haven't seen in a long time is this particular house has a pass-through right here behind me. You'll see this pass-through right here is for their for the fireplace here. And a beautiful feature for this home. This pass-through goes right on out to the garage. That way you don't have to open the inner door in order to load your wood for the garage. Just thought it was a neat feature. If it's something that you're just to point it out. Only bad thing about it is sometimes you get a little bit of airflow that comes through. But if you're heating with wood, you know how that is. This house is sound and solid. Love to see some of the stuff that's in there. And we got some other things we're going to show you here in just a moment.